Uh, Luis Marlon Antonio pa rin. Uh, it's it's December 1, 2012. Uh, Still no Planet X with it, along with its with its moon and other planets. No, I told you, there will be no Armageddon. Not now, not ever. The thing is, I watched a video, and from the video, from those videos, it said that as early as October, September to October to November, Planet X or Planet Nibiru will be very obvious. It will be seen in all parts of the world, more like a second sun. But it's already December 1 now. Already December 1, 2012. Not September, not October, not November, but December 1. Still no Planet Nibiru. Planet X. Here in Manila, Philippines. And it's still, so I told you, I'm not buying. But in this, it's true. We're not that. We're not the dinosaurs that back then made it extinct. We're more civilized now, compared to the dinosaurs that had missiles, there were no nuclear weapons, nuclear bombs, nuclear facilities. There's no airplane, not even a gun, not even a firecracker. Dinosaurs going on it. But now, because there's a video mentioned that that same Planet X or Planet Nibiru did make the extinction of the dinosaurs possible, or it made the dinosaurs extinct back then. So it's the galactical revolution. From the said video, it also mentioned that as Earth revolved the sun, including the other planets in the solar system, so as this planet Nibiru revolved in what they mentioned in that video, galactical revolution. So the thing is, there's no Planet X here. The second sun is not present here in the Philippines, and we're not, as I mentioned, we're not those dinosaurs anymore. But we can bomb it, when it's not when it's obvious. You can make a wave, giant wave to stop it, like the dinosaurs. Just they can match it, but we're not dinosaurs, so we can launch missiles, we can use those astronomical facilities like Space Station of America, NASA of America, Space Station of Russia, of Korea, of Japan, China, other and other countries around it who has now space station and space rockets. We can use those facilities to fill it with nuclear bombs and weapons to stop this phenomenon that made a lot of people nervous. Okay. And that it affects too tsunami in Japan. As said, I did mention in my solution documents, United Emergency UN Military Agreement. I will mention it again. All countries around the world, the Air Force, the Army, the Naval, there will be a UN military agreement among these catastrophes. Tsunami in Japan, for example, tsunami in Japan, the military, the Army, Air Force, etc., Naval, and not only in Japan, countries, the nearest countries in country Japan, its military, Air Force, Naval, Army, etc., will help Japan. In Manila, Philippines, there's countries near Philippines, for example, Vietnam, Singapore, Taiwan, Vietnam, Taiwan, Indonesia, etc., etc. Each country will help each other by lending or by each military or Air Force Naval to be specific, and to prevent those catastrophes, tsunami, earthquake, hurricanes, unpredictable weathers can be predictable now. There's a lot of technology now. We can have an agreement to swap technology of country to prevent a single country around the world to experience what Japan experienced, or what Manila, Philippines, or Afghanistan, or India, was especially flood. And I have a project Super Flood too that I already mentioned in my past videos. So I have my USB now, my cell phone. We can just have me a media here in the interview here in General Mariano August Cavite, Barangay SS Yakri 21, Manila, Philippines. Just local media or international media, just feel to. So problem language, just translate device or person, no problem. There will be no flood anymore. Okay, this has been Mario Antonio Pareño, Project 000 of Manila, Philippines. Sa mabuhay, and regards to all Makalinaw and Pareño of the world, around the world. Julio Pareño, Alejandro Pareño, Mitaki Pareño, May Pareño, Rod Pareño, etc. Mas pa rin. And all pa rin the plans. Gina pa rin. Kevin pa rin. O just Stephen. Ronaldo. Kaya ako makalinaw sa Manila. Nag-kapit. Quinta. Wish you guys all the best in this time. Okay, bye guys. I love you guys.